Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
In this video, I will explain how to make cabbage on the grill. First, select a firm, fresh head of cabbage, ideally weighing between 2 and 3 pounds. Remove any loose outer leaves and give it a good rinse. Then, carefully cut the cabbage into 4 to 6 wedges, making sure the core stays intact to hold the leaves together. Finally, brush each wedge with 2 tablespoons of olive oil and season generously. Let's talk about seasoning your cabbage to perfection. For a classic flavor, combine 1 teaspoon of salt, 1/2 teaspoon of black pepper, and 1 teaspoon of garlic powder. Add 1 tablespoon of smoked paprika for a rich, savory depth. You can also drizzle 2 tablespoons of balsamic glaze over the wedges for a touch of sweetness, and consider a pinch of red pepper flakes for a subtle kick. Now, let's get that cabbage on the grill for some delicious char. First, preheat your grill to a medium heat, aiming for around 375 degrees Fahrenheit. Place the seasoned cabbage wedges directly onto the grates, cut side down. Grill each side for 8 to 10 minutes, or until they are tender and beautifully charred. Remember to turn the wedges carefully to ensure even cooking and browning. Finally, let's explore some fantastic ways to serve your perfectly grilled cabbage. It's best served immediately as a warm, flavorful side dish. You can garnish it with fresh chopped parsley or a sprinkle of Parmesan cheese for extra flavor. A squeeze of fresh lemon juice really brightens the overall taste. Enjoy this versatile vegetable alongside grilled meats or fish for a complete meal.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.